Good day everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomprada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will learn how to write a factorial program using Microsoft Visual Basic 6. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. We are here in our Visual Basic 6 environment. So the first thing that I will do is to, in our form 1, I would like to change the word form 1 into a title: Factorial Program in Visual Basic 6. We can adjust the form, and then the next step that I will do is to put a label. So we select the label and then drag to the form. Now in the label, we change the word from label 1 to enter a number. After we have done that, I want to change the font style to Arial, regular, and then 12 the size. After we are through, the next step that I will do is to click a text box. Click the text box and then draw adjacent to our label. Now in the text box, we try to have a uniformity. We select area, regular, and then we have 12, and then the text we try to remove. Okay, so after we have done, I will adjust the form. Select the button and draw here. In the button, we change the caption into calculate. I want to make the word calculates much bigger. We go to font, we go to Arial, and then we select font style bold, and then the size is 12. Okay, so we have already done creating the label, the text box, and then the button. Next, I will copy the first label, the enter a number, Control C, Control V, no, and then drag here below of the R button. Now what I'm trying to do right now here is simply change the text, the label, or the caption rather. So we have here factorial values. Okay, what will follow will be an adding of another control or object. By this time, a list box. Click the list box and then we drag, put in our form. Okay, so the name of our list box is list 1. Okay, so the font size we can adjust if we want to. The font size should be Arial, and then we have regular, and then 12. Now we double click the form. On the top we can declare option explicit. The main purpose of option explicit, in our general declaration, it will force us to declare a variable. And then we have here private function factorial by val y as double if y less than or equal to 1, then recursion happens, we call the name of the function factorial equals 1, else factorial equals y multiply by the using the asterisk factorial y minus 1 close parenthesis, and then in f okay, so save our work, we go to the calculate. Actually, we can remove this form load. In the calculate portion, we declare dim x as integer, comma n as integer. Then we will call the list view point clear. This one point clear, and then we have here n equals val text 1 point x, convert the string into integer, and then we have here 4x equals 0 to n list 1 point add item format dollar x comma at ampersand station equals and underscore. What is the okay? Here we call again factorial. Next x. Okay, so Control S, we save our work. So here I would like to explain in option explicit, when we declare in our general declaration the option explicit, it tells our Visual Basic 6 compiler that every time that we use a variable, we have to declare it with its data type, just like this one, dim x as integer, n as integer. And then we have here the function factorial that uses the recursion approach in programming to call the name of the function within the function to compute the factorial value. And then here a series of variable declaration in our button calculate, and then call the list one, this one, the list view to clear, and then populates the values in our list box here. Okay, so let us run. Let's say for example we have 10, enter a number, factorial program in Visual Basic, enter a number 10, click calculate. See, we have here the results we are expecting with. Perfect. So actually we can adjust if we want, and then here we can make the font much smaller so that we can see, instead of 12 maybe we can have 10. Okay, so save. When we run the program, we have again, let's say for example we have 7. So here we have the right result, the factorial program in Visual Basic 6. Enter number 7. Calculate 0 factorial 1, 0 factorial 1, factorial 1, 2 factorial 2, 3 factorial is 6, 4 factorial is 24, 5 factorial is 120, 6 factorial is 720, and 7 factorial 540. Let's say give another value. Let's say we have 5, so we have 120 factorial. So if we want to improve our code, we can add here a button. No, by this time we can have, for example, we want to quit the program, so text caption, we have here quit program. You can simply put here, double click, we can simply put the word end. So when we save, when we run the program, adjust the size of the form. Factorial program with Visual Basic. Let's say for example 5 or 4. Calculate. Enter a number. We give a value of 4. Calculate. Factorial values of 0 factorial is 1, 1 factorial is 1, 2 factorial is 2, 3 factorial is 6, and 4 factorial is 24. By clicking the quit program, our program exits and back to our Visual Basic 6 environment. So for the last time when we run, we give enter a number, we give 5, so it populates the result on our list box. Here we go guys, we have already finished writing a factorial program using Microsoft Visual Basic 6. If you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much guys for watching. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Until to the next video tutorial, bye bye for now.